Where are we going?
Camping.
We don't have anything to tow yet, but we picked up this hitch.
Well, it's got a
2 charging flashlights.
my favorite thing. Happy camper. I'm installing a new RV push button lock. Pam, can you help me please? We're gonna make this look brand new. Negative, power to the... We're climbing now.
There's our location. Sequoia National Park, here we come. We're gonna get some sun. Well, they said you had to park on the pavement, so the only way we would fit was to move the log. You can see it was here, and we rolled it back. Here's dinner.
Downside is getting real.
Good morning, Ray. What are you doing?
Dishes.
Ray saw a black bear right over there. Got a good photo. Here it is. But now we're out here grilling.
See, that's Monica.
Little nervous, huh?
It's a little nerve-wracking barbecuing out here now.
Why?
There's a bear that was just right there.
We're walking over to see the Sherman tree.
Terminator. Pam, where are you going?
Halfway mark. Keep going. It is a nice walk. It's not very crowded. Shade. We are at Stony Creek Village, just checking out Sequoia National Park. Decided to top off with fuel. I'm gonna go in and check out the market, gift shop. This is perfect. The colors match the interior of the rig. And we saw our first bear here.